Remember the quiet revolution from M1 sparked by the iPad? Well, brace yourself for the next chapter, because rumors tell us that the M3-based iPad Pro might be around the corner. The heart of these rumors centers on the M3 chip. Successor to the impressive Mount 2, the M3 promises a significant boost in processing power and graphical capabilities. Imagine buttery smooth multitasking, effortless video editing, and a future-proof device ready for the most demanding creative tasks. After the success of the iPad series, people have been waiting for the successor. iPad and iPad Pro was a huge success. For obvious reasons, of course. That makes us wonder if the iPad Pro with M3 chip is near? Following no iPad updates at all in 2023, it looks like there will be a new iPad Pro in 2024. With the last update to the range being in October 2022, and iPad Pro launches tending to happen every 18 months, a spring 2024 update could be on the cards. The current iPad range is one of the most populated we've seen. It includes the standard iPad, the iPad mini, the iPad Air, and two variants of iPad Pro models, so there's plenty to choose from. It seems Apple isn't stopping there, as rumors suggest it could be adding an even larger iPad Pro to the lineup. 2024 is said to be a big year for iPads. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo dropped a juicy rumor that Apple's about to unleash a full-blown iPad buffet early next year, with refreshed versions of everything from the mini munchkin to the Pro powerhouse. According to analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple will announce the refreshed models early next year. The iPad family is like a bustling city, buzzing with options. From the mini's cute charm to the Pro's powerhouse performance, there's a tablet for every craving. But hold on, because Apple might be about to throw the biggest housewarming party yet. With an iPad Pro so big, it'll make skyscrapers jealous. Besides standard models, Apple is also expected to launch a large iPad Air with a 12.9-inch screen along with the iPad Pro lineup, featuring an OLED screen for the first time on an iPad. But we are here for the iPad Pro with M3. The current iPad Pros are powered by the M2 chip, so it makes sense for an M3 chip to appear in any new 2024 models. The new iPad Pros are said to come in larger 11 and 13-inch screen sizes, which will feature OLED panels instead of the mini LED screens found in the current models. The device is also set to get a hardware upgrade, with both models set to be powered by the M3 processor, which debuted with the MacBook Pro last October. The M3 chip might not be the only star of the show. Leaks hint at other potential upgrades, such as a revamped camera system, a mini LED display on more models, currently only on the 12.9-inch version, and even support for MagSafe charging. The new iPad Pros will reportedly be available in 4 different variants, with Model J series model numbers corresponding to the Wi-Fi and cellular configurations in the 2 aforementioned screen sizes. But with this rumored giant iPad Pro on the horizon, the possibilities are as endless as the screen itself. Imagine artists unleashing their inner visual on a canvas wider than a coffee table, or architects sketching out entire cityscapes with room to spare. For gamers, it's like stepping into a whole new world, with immersive visuals that feel like you're living the game, not just playing it. All with the help of the M3 chip. Also, due to the iPad's thin, finless design, it seems more sensible for a standard M3 to be at the heart of the iPad Pro. That's all to say the iPad Pro with the M3 chip. Only time will tell what actually happens, but we are certainly keeping an eye on. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments.